नमस्कार दोस्तों। रोल ऑफ द एग्रीकल्चर इन द इंडियन इकोनॉमी। द इंडियन इकोनॉमी होल्ड्स द 6th पोजीशन इन द वर्ल्ड टॉप इकोनॉमिक्स. The majority of the country's population depend on the agriculture for their livelihood. The agriculture sectors contribute roughly 14% of the country's total GDP, gross domestic product. Although the agriculture sector plays a crucial role in the Indian economy, there is a constant drop in their sector while the service sector is a comparatively important. Agriculture sector in Indian economy. The Indian economy is an agro-economy. The difficulty with such an agro-economy is that the agriculture sector is highly dependent on the cycle of production, distributions and consumptions. Another problems with the agro-economy is the productivity. Currently, Indian farms produce 2.4 tons of rice per hectares of land, for the behind its actual potential. On the other hand, China and Brazil produced 4.7 and 3.6 tons of the rice per hectares. Despite so many disadvantages of the agriculture sectors, it is still the most crucial sector for the Indian economy. Importance of the agriculture in the Indian economy. Almost half of the population of Indian indulged in the agriculture. The agriculture sector holds an important place in the economy. A few of the important points are: agriculture provides employment opportunities to rural agricultures and non-agriculture laborers. It plays a significant role in international role of the agriculture in the Indian economy. Contribution in GDP. Since the time of independence, the agriculture sector has been the major contributor to the country's GDP. In the financial year 1951, agriculture and other related activities had a share of 59% of the country's total GDP. In the contribution in GDP. Since the time of independence, the agriculture sector has been the major contributor the country GDP. In the financial year 1950 to 1951, agriculture and other related activities had a share of 59% of the country's total GDP. In that financial year, although there is a constant drop in agriculture sector, it is still one of the most crucial sector in the Indian economy. On the other hand, in developed countries such as the United Kingdom and United States America, the agriculture sectors contribute only about 3% of the country total GDP. Largest employee sector. In India, the agriculture sector has more than half of the total population of the country engaged, which makes it is the sector with the most number of the employee in the country.